a really delicious Indulgent chocolate smoothie for you today. So I've got the Ashy Bines triple chocolate fudge protein powder. I'm going to be using some cacao powder. I'm also going to be adding in some chocolate chips. However, you can substitute the chocolate chips for cacao nibs if you prefer. I'll be using 2 dates in this recipe because I can't get dates in real life, so I'm just going to use them in my recipe instead. I think you should leave that in. Then I've got a tablespoon of peanut butter. I've got half a cup here of frozen banana. I'll be using half an avocado to add in some healthy fats into my smoothie. And then I'm going to be using almond milk for this recipe, but you can use whatever milk that you like. So super quick and easy. Chuck it into your blender, blitz it until it's smooth and creamy.